Hey guys, so you're in the mood to make something with shrinking plastic, but you don't know how to use it. It's these sheets of plastic. On one side, you have the very shiny part. So on the other side, you have a texture that is going to be a lot easier to draw on. You're going to need some acrylic markers. So my favorites are definitely the grabby ones. And if you don't know how to draw, you're gonna need any of your favorite coloring books. In this video, I'm using this one just because they really have the cutest little illustrations, and I find that they look really cute in keychains. So they're really cute, and it's an easy way to like just make charms for your bags. You're gonna take the image that you feel like doing. So once you've chosen your drawing, you're gonna lay your paper on top. Don't forget that it has to be on this white side and not on the shiny side. You can use either a Sharpie or a Posca. I like to use a Posca because it makes the lines thicker. With your marker, you're gonna go ahead and do your outlines. Making sure to hold your paper so that nothing moves. Trying to keep a steady line, because if you lift up your pen, it'll make like a little blotch and it might show. So you try to keep your pen down as much as you can. Once you've finished your outlines, you can see what it looks like on the other side. You're going to color it in. However, I just realized that the word milk is backwards. But yeah, little blooper there. And now we're going to take our acrylic markers and color this guy in. So this is my grabby swatch sheet. Just making sure I'm not too close to the edge, and I'm punching my hole. So once you've taken it out of the oven, you can see it's shrunk considerably. So if you want to use it as a keychain or as a little accessory that you can put on your bag, you can just add one of these little chains. How cute are these little things? This is your second option. If you just want to go ahead and freehand your drawing, you'll just go on that white side of the paper and you'll take your Posca, your fine line or whatever, and you're just going to do whatever favorite drawing that you feel like doing. I always find that cupcakes turn out really cute and they're so easy to draw.